Hey, it's Jimmy, and right now I want to show you another top feature that you should be trying out today in Pictory. All right, let's check out uploading your own custom fonts. There's a couple places you can do that. So right here inside of the brand kit, you can upload your custom logo, all of your brand colors, and inside of the Storyboard Editor and here, whenever you go to this font menu, right at the top, you have the option to upload fonts. So I'll choose that and you can see we can upload a variety of types. I'll go to browse and here's some different options I downloaded earlier. So here's one, here's another random one. This one's actually of an entire font family that's inside of a zip file. So I'll upload all of these. Awesome. So once those are finished up, you'll see I've got these individual typefaces here. I've also got an entire family that has all of the variations and they're grouped together. So whenever you go into your list and you go to the very top, you can see those custom fonts available here and you can choose the family you want in your brand kit. And this also works out inside of the Storyboard Editor. So once you select your text, if you go into the fonts menu here, if you scroll to the very top, all of those custom fonts that you just uploaded are available across all of your projects. So now I can go in here, dive into this family of fonts, and I can choose the variant I just uploaded. And just like that, you've got that in your project ready to go.